Hello friends, I am Pramod. I hope you are healthy and fine. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the complementary function, and today's lecture you will discuss about the particular integral, because for the solution of linear differential equation we will find the two parts. One is complementary function, another is particular integral. Okay, so particular integral. So the particular integral we will find by using the three methods. One is shortcut, general, and the method of variation of parameter. Okay, so first we will start the shortcut method. So in case of shortcut method, we will study the various types. Okay, so in this video lecture you will discuss about the type first. So let the differential equation, linear differential equation f of d into y equals to f of x. Then what is pi? Because already you find that is the CF, complementary function, f of auxiliary equation f of d equal to 0. You will find the roots, and thereafter based upon the four rules you will find the complementary function. But in this lecture you will find out the particular integral. So particular integral equals to 1 upon f of d into f of x. So f of x will be the function of x, maybe x square, maybe 10x, maybe cot x, like this. Okay, so in case of shortcut method, so what is type first? Based upon the function f of x, the type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5, they are defined. Okay, if f of x equals to e raised to x, type first. If f of x equal to sine of x or cos of x, type second. If f of x equal to x raised to p, it is type third. If f of x equal to e raised to x into v, this is type 4. If f of x equal to x into v, this is type fifth. The corresponding all these steps we will discuss in the next video lectures, one after another. But in this video lectures you will find the type first. If f of x equals to e raised to x, exponential function, then how the f of d will be changed. So 1 upon f of d e raised to x. So this is our pi. So this is type first. Based upon e raised to x, you will define the type first. So what is type first? So here d will be replaced by a. So if it is e raised to 2x, matlab this is f of 2. Where it is d is there, you will replace by a. But the condition is what? F of a should not be equals to 0. Okay. So but if f of a equal to 0, then x upon f dash d. Again d will be replaced by a. X upon f dash a e raised to x. Condition, f dash a should not be equals to 0. If it is 0, again x square by f double dash a e raised to ax, it will be continuing. For non-zero factor, you will put the value of d equals to a. For zero factor, you will use x upon f dash a, x square upon f double dash a. In this way, it will be continue. Then another is what? In some expressions, 1 upon d minus a raised to r, a raised to r. This is raised to r, e raised to x, that is x raised to r upon r factorial e raised to x. Directly we put the formula. If some constant is there, f of x, there is constant 2, 3, 4, then you will put d equal to 0, 1 upon f of 0 into k. And in some LD or in some function of f of x, it is given a raised to x. So a raised to x, you will arrange in the form of e raised to x. So that is 1 upon f of d, a raised to x, that is e raised to log of something. E raised to log of something equal to something. So e raised to log of a raised to x. So that is x log a, e raised to x log a. Matlab the a raised to x is converted in the form of e raised to x log a. But what is constant? So here a equals to log a, means d will be replaced by log a. So 1 upon f of log a raised to x. Next, or in some f of x, if it is given in the form of hyperbolic function, you will put sin h equal to e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon 2. Or in case of cos hyperbolic x, e raised to x plus e raised to minus x upon 2, because it is converted in the form of type first, a equal to 1, a equal to minus 1, either a equal to 1, a equal to minus 1. By converting the hyperbolic function in the form of exponential function, we can use the type first. Okay, so now we will solve the problems, the various types of problems based upon the type first. Now we will solve the various types of problem based upon the shortcut method type first. So d square plus 4d plus 4 into y equals to e raised to 2x. Solution. So what is auxiliary equation? F of d equals to 0. So this is d square plus 4d plus 4 equals to 0. So this is d plus 2 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 0, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is d equals to -2, -2. So what is CF? The roots are real and repeated. So this is C1 plus C2x e raised to -2x. Then what is PI? PI equals to, or in some books it is written that is what? YC or YC. YC means complementary function, or PI, or that is YP. So what is YP? 1 upon f of d into f of x. So this is 1 upon f of d. So d square plus 4d plus 4 e raised to 2x. So what is the value of e raised? This is e raised to x. So 1 upon f of d e raised to x equals to 1 upon f of a e raised to x, and f of a should not be equals to 0. This is the type first according to shortcut method. Okay, so in case of shortcut method, this is the type first. So what is the value of a is here? A equals to 2. So 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus 4. It is not 0 because minus is not there, na? So you can put. So this is e raised to 2x, 2 square 4, 4 into 2 8 plus 4. So this is e raised to 2x upon 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 16. So this is our PI. So what is the total solution of the linear differential equation? So that is y equals to CF plus PI, complementary function and particular integral, that is YC plus YP. So what is YC? C1 plus C2x e raised to -2x. And what is PI? E raised to 2x upon 16. So this is the total solution of the linear differential equation. Now we will go through the second one, that is, okay, because in case of a linear differential equation you will find the two parts, YC and YP. YC means complementary function, YP means particular integral. Now we will go for the next problem, that is, this is d square plus 5d plus 6 into y e raised to 2x plus e raised to x. Solution. So what is auxiliary equation? D square plus 5d plus 6 equals to 0. D square, you will use the factorization. What is factorization? You divide 5d into 2 terms, add karo, it will come 5d, multiplication karo, it will come 6 into d square. So 5d, 2d plus 3d. So 2d plus 3d, 5d, 2d into 3d, 6d square. You will use the factorization, or you will do the factorize in such a way that after the addition you will get the middle term, and after the multiplication you will get the last two term. This is the concept. Okay, 2d plus 3d equals to 5d, 2d into 3d equals to 6d square plus 6 equals to 0. D will be common, d plus 2, 3 will be common, d plus 2 equals to 0. So this is d plus 2 and d plus 3 equals to 0. So d equals to -2 and -3. The roots are real and not repeated. What is CF? C1 e raised to m1x plus C2 e raised to m2x. So what is m1? -2. What is m2? -3. This is C1 e raised to -2x and C2 e raised to -3x. So this is the value of what? CF. Now we will find PI. So PI equals to 1 upon f of d into f of x. So this is 1 upon d square plus 5d plus 6 e raised to 2x plus e raised to x, e raised to 2x plus e raised to x. So this is, so you split into two parts. So that is 1 upon d square plus 5d plus 6 e raised to 2x plus 1 upon d square plus 5d plus 6 e raised to x. So that is, what is the value of a? A equals to 2. So put the value of, in case of type first, 1 upon f of d e raised to ax equals to 1 upon f of a e raised to ax. So what is the value of a is here? 2. So that is 2 square e raised to 2x, 2 square 4 plus 10 plus 6, non-zero. It is not 0. So matlab you can able to put similarly here. E raised to x, a equals to 1 plus 5 plus 6. So this is e raised to 2x upon 10 plus 6, 16 plus 4, 20 plus e raised to x, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12. Okay. So this is our pi, or this is yp, or this is yc. So what is the total solution? The total solution y equals to yc plus yp. So what is yc? c1 e raised to 2x minus 2x, c2 e raised to minus 3x. And what is pi? E raised to 2x upon 20 plus e raised to x upon 12. So this is the total solution. Okay. So now you will solve the next problem. So that is what? So this is a d minus 1 ka whole cube into y equals to e raised to x plus 2 raised to x minus 3 by 2. So what is auxiliary equation? D minus 1 का whole cube equals to 0. So D equals to 1, 1, 1. So it is repeated 3 times. So what is CF? C1 plus C2x plus C3x square e raised to m1x. So what is the value of m1 is here? It is 1. Now we will find the pi. So pi equals to 1 upon f of d into f of x. So this is 1 upon f of d. So d minus 1 का whole cube into e raised to x plus 1 upon d minus 1 का whole cube 2 raised to x, 1 upon d minus 1 का whole cube, it is minus 3 by 2. So this is minus 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2. Okay. So this the total function f of x I split into 3 parts. So one formula is there, 1 upon d minus a raised to r, that is what? 1 upon d minus a raised to r e raised to x. If you will put d equals to a, it is 0 factor, you can't able to put. Then in this case you will put x raised to r upon r factorial e raised to ax. So this is the formula in case of 0 factor. So what is the value of r is here? 3. So this is x raised to r upon r factorial e raised to x plus. So this is a raised to x is there. In case of a raised to x, I told the formula 1 upon f of d a raised to x. मतलब 1 upon f of log a raised to x. I told in case of formula, so d will be replaced by log a. So that is the 1 upon d. So this is what? Log of 2 minus 1 ka whole cube, and this is minus 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2, that is constant. You will put for constant d equal to 0. So this is minus 1. So that is x cube upon 6 e raised to x plus 1 upon, this is 2 raised to x is there. This is 2 raised to x. This is 2 raised to x upon log of 2 minus 1 ka whole cube. D will be replaced by log of 2, and for constant you will put d equal to 0. This is minus minus plus 3 by 2. So this is the required solution. So what is the total solution is? Yc equals to Cf plus Pi. Yc plus Yp. So what is Cf? Cf equals to C1 plus C2x plus C3x square e raised to x plus x cube by 6 e raised to x plus 2 raised to x upon log of 2 minus 1 का whole cube plus 3 by 2. So this is the final answer. Okay.